Hey everyone, welcome back to Simple English Radio. I'm your host, Emma, coming to you from Austin, Texas. So glad you're here with us again today.
And I'm Jonathan, back again from Boston, Massachusetts. Always so happy to be here on Simple English Radio. Thanks for having me back, Emma.
Jonathan, you are always welcome here. Always. And everyone, if this is your first time joining us, welcome to the family. This is the channel where two real people have real conversations so you can learn English the natural way. No boring grammar rules, no complicated textbooks.
Just two friends talking and you listening along, picking up real English phrases without even realizing it.
Exactly. And today's topic is something every single person on the planet does. It doesn't matter where you live. It doesn't matter how old you are.
Everyone does this at least once a week.
We are talking about going grocery shopping, finding the items you need, asking about prices, and checking out at the register.
Such a practical topic. And honestly, so much English happens in a grocery store that most people don't even think about.
Right. So today, we are going to walk through the whole experience together, step by step, in simple, clear, natural English.
So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's go shopping.
Okay, Jonathan, before we dive in, I have to ask, are you a grocery shopping person? Like, do you actually enjoy it?
You know what? I actually do. I know some people hate it, but I find it kind of relaxing.
Really? Okay, tell me more.
Like, there's something nice about walking through the aisles, taking your time, looking at everything. I always end up buying things I didn't plan to buy.
Oh, that is so relatable. You go in for 3 things and come out with 15.
Every single time. Every single time.
What about you, Emma? Wait, I'm asking myself. Okay, I'll answer anyway. Honestly, I have a love-hate relationship with grocery shopping.
Oh yeah?
Like, I love the idea of it. I make a list, I feel organized, I'm excited, and then I get there and the store is packed and I can't find anything and I forget half my list at home.
The list at home, classic.
Every time. I'm like, okay, I'll just remember everything. And then I'm standing in the cereal aisle completely blank.
That's why I use my phone now. I keep my grocery list on my phone, never leaving home without it.
That is such good advice, honestly. Okay, so let's set the scene. Imagine we just walked into a big grocery store together. Let's talk through the whole experience.
Okay, so you walk through those big automatic doors, and the first thing that hits you is usually the produce section. That's the fruits and vegetables area.
Yes, almost every grocery store puts the fresh fruits and vegetables right at the entrance. It's so colorful and fresh looking.
And that's actually on purpose. Stores do that to make you feel good when you first walk in.
Oh, wow. I never thought about that. So even grocery shopping has psychology behind it.
Totally. Anyway, so you walk in, maybe you grab a cart or a basket. If you have a lot to buy, you take a cart. If it's just a few things, a basket is easier.
And if you can't find a cart right away, you can ask someone who works there. You just say, "Excuse me, where are the shopping carts?"
Simple and polite. That's all you need.
And the grocery store employees, the people who work there, they are usually wearing a uniform or a name tag, so they're easy to spot.
And honestly, don't be afraid to ask them for help. That's what they're there for. Grocery store employees are usually really friendly and helpful.
100%. I ask for help all the time. No shame in it.
No shame at all.
Okay, so now you're inside with your cart, you have your list, but grocery stores can be really big and confusing, especially if it's your first time there.
Right. So the first thing to know is that most grocery stores are organized into sections. Like there's a dairy section for milk, cheese, and yogurt. There's a meat section, a bakery section, a frozen food section.
And most stores have signs hanging from the ceiling above each aisle, telling you what's in that row. So you can look up and see aisle 5, pasta, rice, canned goods.
That makes it so much easier to navigate. But sometimes you still can't find what you're looking for.
And that's totally okay. You just find an employee and ask. You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me find the olive oil?"
Or, I'm looking for the bread. Which aisle is it in?
Such natural phrases. And the employee will usually say something like, "Sure, that's in aisle 7 on the left side."
Or sometimes they'll actually walk you there, which is so helpful.
I love when they do that. It's like having a personal tour guide.
Grocery store tour guide. That's a job title I'd consider.
I actually have a funny story about this. One time, I was in a new grocery store in Austin, brand new neighborhood, never been there before, and I was looking for Greek yogurt. I walked around for like 10 minutes.
Oh no.
And I finally asked this young employee, and he looked at me very seriously and said, "Ma'am, the Greek yogurt is in the dairy section." And I said, "And where's the dairy section?" And he said, "Right behind you."
It was right behind you the whole time.
The whole time. I walked past it like 4 times.
That is such a real grocery shopping experience. We've all been there.
We really have. Okay, so another useful phrase. What if something is on a high shelf and you can't reach it?
Oh, great one. You can say, "Excuse me, could you reach that for me, please?" And point to what you need.
Most people are very happy to help with that, especially tall people.
As a tall person, yes, we are always ready.
Okay, so now let's talk about something really important, prices. Because sometimes you look at something and you're not sure how much it costs, or the price tag is missing.
This happens all the time, and a lot of people, especially English learners, feel nervous about asking. But it's so easy and so normal.
You just walk up to an employee or go to the customer service desk and say, "Excuse me, how much is this?"
Or you can hold up the item and say, "Can you tell me the price of this, please?"
Both are perfect, super simple.
And if you want to compare prices, like you're deciding between 2 similar products, you can look at the price tag on the shelf. It usually shows the total price and also the price per unit, like price per ounce or price per liter.
That's so useful for knowing which one is actually the better deal.
Exactly. And if something seems too expensive, it's totally okay to put it back and look for a cheaper option. No one is watching you.
Right. You're not committing to anything until you're at the checkout. You can change your mind as many times as you want.
And a lot of stores have sales and discounts. You'll see signs that say things like, "Buy one, get one free," or 50% off, or "Special price this week only."
Buy one, get one free is a really common phrase. It means you buy one item and you get a second one for free.
People also say BOGO, B-O-G-O. It's short for buy one, get one. You'll hear that a lot.
Oh, yes. Oh, the pasta is BOGO this week. Very common in American grocery stores.
Great phrase to know.
Okay, so you found everything on your list, maybe a few extra things that jumped into your cart somehow.
Somehow, mysteriously.
Completely by accident. And now it's time to check out, to pay for your groceries. Jonathan, walk us through it.
So, you head to the checkout area, that's usually at the front of the store. You'll see several lanes with cashiers. A cashier is the person who scans your items and takes your payment.
You look for a lane that isn't too busy. Sometimes there's a sign that says, "Express lane, 15 items or less." That means if you only have a few things, you can use that faster lane.
And when it's your turn, you put your items on the conveyor belt, that's the moving surface that brings your items toward the cashier.
And the cashier will usually greet you with something like, "Did you find everything okay today?"
Which is such a common phrase. It just means, did you find everything you were looking for?
And you can say, "Yes, thank you." Or if you couldn't find something, "Actually, I was looking for almond milk, but I couldn't find it."
And they might be able to help you or tell you where it is.
Always worth mentioning if you couldn't find something.
Then the cashier scans all your items, and they might ask, "Do you have a rewards card?" or "Are you a member?"
A rewards card is like a loyalty card. You sign up for free, and you get special discounts every time you shop.
If you have one, you say, "Yes, here it is." If you don't, "No, I don't. But how do I get one?" They'll be happy to tell you.
And then comes the total. The cashier will say, "Your total is $23.45.
And you pay. You can say, "I'll pay by card," or "I'm paying with cash."
If you're paying by card, you just tap or swipe your card on the little machine. It's very simple.
And after you pay, the cashier will say, "Here's your receipt. Have a great day."
And you say, "Thank you, you too." Simple, natural, perfect. And don't forget your bags.
Very important. Don't walk away without your groceries.
It happens though. I have definitely walked to my car and realized I left a bag at the register.
Emma.
I went back and it was still there, thankfully. But yes, always check before you leave the register. Okay, everyone, we covered so much today. Let's do a quick recap for our Simple English Radio family.
When you walk in, grab a cart or basket, look for the aisle signs to find what you need.
If you can't find something, find an employee and say, "Excuse me, can you help me find?"
To ask about price, "How much is this, please?" And look for sale signs like BOGO or 50% off.
At checkout, put your items on the conveyor belt, answer the cashier's questions, and say how you're paying. "I'll pay by card," or "I'm paying with cash."
And always take your receipt and check for your bags before you leave.
You know, grocery shopping in a new language can feel intimidating at first, but it really doesn't have to be. The people in stores are friendly, the phrases are simple, and every time you do it, it gets easier and more natural.
And that's the whole point of Simple English Radio. We want you to feel ready for real life. Not just ready for a test, but ready to walk into a store, find what you need, talk to people confidently, and walk out feeling great.
Because you deserve to feel confident in English, in any situation, every single day.
You are doing something amazing by learning a new language. Don't ever forget that.
We are so proud of every single one of you. Now, go practice. Next time you're at the grocery store, try one new phrase, just one, and see how it feels.
I think you will.
Okay, everyone. If you enjoyed today's episode of Simple English Radio, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a new episode.
And leave a comment. Tell us what's one thing you always buy at the grocery store. We want to know.
We read every comment, every single one. We'll see you in the next episode. Take care.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.
Bye.